Okay, guys, we're going to be playing with QR codes. QR codes are these funky looking codes that you can plug right into your website, your Facebook channels, your Instagram, your emails, assigning your office. And what they do is they direct people to where you want them to go. So check this out. The first thing I want to show you is there are so many different options for what you can do with a QR code. So if I'm on this random site, qr.io, but you can use there are so many different programs to use. I just like this one because it's really foolproof. And I tend to be a fool when I'm doing things like this. So here we go. The first thing I want to do is show you, these are all of the different options that you can do a QR code for. So let's say that you want to share a PDF with a community, which I'm going to do on the page that you're looking at. You can actually create a QR code for that specific PDF. I'm going to use this one for website URL for this example. So I'm going to click on website URL and I'm going to go continue. And I have my free training here. And I'm just going to copy the URL. I'm going to paste it here. I like to copy and paste so that I capture the right HTTPS, all of that stuff, and then continue. And then here, I think that this is so cool. I could geek out on this all day long. So I'm going to go ahead and add our, this is our color. And I want you to, when you're creating your brand kit, this is really important. When you're creating your brand kit, which everybody should have by now, you want to have specific colors for your brand. Memorize those colors. So one of the colors for our brand is F137A9. And literally, you guys, I memorized it. And then you can do all kinds of things. You can change the shape of it, which I don't really care about doing, but it's kind of a fun thing to do. And then you can do like a center funky thing. Let's do a star, and that's cool, right? And then you can add your logo. I'm not going to do that right now because I just want to move through this example. And now it's generating my QR code. You guys see this? So I have one for my practice. I have one for staffless practice. And this one is actually for free training. This is a really cool training, by the way, if you haven't grabbed it yet or shared it with your friends, all about how to run a practice without staff and avoid the most common mistakes that are made. So now I'm going to go ahead and download this. I'm going to download it as a PNG, and there it is. Okay, now watch what I do from here. This is the kind of stuff that I just totally geek out on. I'm going to take this, oops, and I'm going to put it right in this document here. You see that? So I like using Pages. That's what I'm in here. I'm a Mac girl. There we go. Look. And what I would do in my office, because again, I don't have staff. I don't have anyone asking me for I don't have anyone asking my practice member to do reviews for us. So I'm going to post this in a few different places in my office. And if you love us, review us. Open up your camera on your smartphone, point it at this funny looking code. And as soon as they point it at this code, and you guys can try it with this specific code, you'll be directed to Google to review us. Thanks for sharing your love for our practice. I think it's worth investing in a laminator so that you could print this, laminate it, make 3 or 4 copies of it, and literally splash it all over your office. Have fun with this project, you guys, and let me know how it goes.